Hello guys, this is Andrew here, making a new video that a layout update for April of 2017. My layout has stayed the exact same way, but I've been getting a few new cars with Christmas layout I've done, layout update. Then I've been getting a lot of new trains, and I'll be showing them off. So my first train car I'll be showing you is a, this one's actually unmarked. It is a unmarked train car. I do not know what this is, but these, I bought, how many, 6 of them. Okay, so this is going to be part of my derailment layout scene here. It has a broken truck thing. So that's going to be damaged train here. Then I bought 3 ATAS or Santa Fe coal cars. Actually no, that's, and, well, 3 unmarked ones and 3 marked ones. And that's for the one I went to in Saline for $2 each. Then I got a old-time blacksmith train car with a very nice inside detail. Sorry about this low quality. I was trying to do a live stream, but it didn't work. Only to fix this. Then I spray painted this old city service. It was brown, but it's black. It's gonna be one of my MOW train cars. Then I have another MOW train car. This I just put a Plymouth switcher. Then here I'll get some more. Okay, I just found it. This would be the Bachmann Class 350 that doesn't need the European couplers or the Amtrak Excella. And now, this is a $30 box. As I told you, I sort of messed up here with couplers, trucks, switch boxes, road and track accessories, crash, European couplers, wheels, stuff, screws, rail joints, coupler boxes, horn hook couplers, telephone poles, baggies. Now, this locomotive here is a Walters. I told you, but this is a Walters HS scale GP9. And for $51, DCC ready. I bought it at my local hobby store called Nankin Hobby. Sorry. Very nice quality here. There's really nothing else I could say here. But please like and subscribe, and always put the notification on. Oh, also, I bought a Walters kit over there. The piggyback ramps, if you can't see. I've been buying some more kits lately. First of all, this is all, well, please put in the comments if you would like to buy any of my DC locomotives or train cars. Like a lot of my DC locomotives I don't need anymore. So I'll be posting another video right after this about locomotives I'll be selling. Please contact me about it because I'll be gladly able to ship it out to you. And send some mail. Just send it like money, like pure old money, or a check, no credit cards accepted here. Because this is a lot of locomotives I'll be selling. I'll gladly sell it to you, or some train cars I really don't use anymore. But I would contact your local hobby store. But a lot of these I'll sell cheap. $20 for locomotives maybe. Like Lifelike I'll sell for $5. And I'll send you back a free stamp with the package order. Just for shopping with me. So I'll be uploading a video soon on that. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. And put the notification button on. Thanks.